Are you tired of the constant ringing in your ears? Do you want to find a solution to stop tinnitus effectively? In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to use Claritox Pro, a natural supplement that can help alleviate tinnitus symptoms. Follow along to discover how Claritox Pro can provide relief and improve your quality of life. Before we dive into the steps of using Claritox Pro, let's first understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is the perception of sound in the ears or head without an external source. It can manifest as ringing, buzzing, hissing, or other sounds. Tinnitus can be caused by various factors, including exposure to loud noises, age-related hearing loss, earwax blockage, and certain medical conditions. Now that you have a basic understanding of tinnitus, let's introduce you to Claritox Pro. Claritox Pro is a natural dietary supplement that is specifically designed to support ear health and reduce tinnitus symptoms. It contains a powerful blend of ingredients that target the underlying causes of tinnitus, providing relief and restoring balance to your ear health. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Claritox Pro effectively. Step 1. Take 2 capsules of Claritox Pro daily with a glass of water. It is recommended to take them with a meal for better absorption. Step 2. Be consistent with your usage. It may take some time for the ingredients to build up in your system and start providing noticeable results. Step 3. Monitor your progress. Keep track of any changes in tinnitus symptoms and overall ear health. This will help you assess the effectiveness of Claritox Pro for your specific situation. In addition to using Claritox Pro, there are a few tips that can help you manage tinnitus more effectively. Tip 1. Protect your ears from loud noises by wearing earplugs or earmuffs when exposed to loud environments. Tip 2. Manage stress levels, as stress can exacerbate tinnitus symptoms. Tip 3. Limit your caffeine and alcohol intake, as they can worsen tinnitus in some individuals. Remember, tinnitus management is a holistic approach, and using Claritox Pro is just one part of the solution. By following these steps and using Claritox Pro, you can effectively stop tinnitus and improve your overall ear health. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new dietary supplement. Take control of your tinnitus today and regain peace and tranquility in your life.